Weight loss has always been one of the most searched health topics online. But in 2025, the questions people are asking about weight loss are smarter, more specific, and focused on long-term results. From diets and exercise to supplements and fasting, millions of people are Googling the same things every single day. Today, we're diving into the 10 most Googled weight loss questions in 2025, and trust me, number 1 is not what you expect. Weight loss isn't just about appearance anymore, it's about health, energy, and longevity. With rising obesity rates worldwide, people want to know what really works. So instead of fads, the most popular searches in 2025 focus on strategies backed by science, lifestyle hacks, and sustainable results. Let's explore the top 10 questions everyone is asking and answer them in a simple, practical way. Question number 10. What is the best diet for weight loss in 2025? Every year, new diets trend. In 2025, the most searched diets are Mediterranean, intermittent fasting, and high-protein, low-sugar diets. Why? The Mediterranean diet focuses on whole foods, olive oil, nuts, fish, and vegetables. Intermittent fasting like 16 to 8 helps regulate insulin and burn fat. High-protein diets preserve muscle while cutting fat. People are moving away from extreme fad diets. Instead, they're choosing balanced, flexible eating plans that are easier to maintain long-term. Answer in short, the best diet isn't one size fits all. In 2025, the healthiest diets emphasize whole foods, fewer processed carbs, and plenty of protein and fiber. Question number 9. How much exercise do I need to lose weight? This is one of the most common searches. People want a straight answer. Science says at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week, like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. For faster results, 250 to 300 minutes per week helps shed more fat. Strength training at least 2 to 3 times weekly boosts metabolism by increasing muscle mass. In 2025, many people are combining HIIT high-intensity interval training with strength training because it burns calories during the workout and keeps metabolism high even after. Answer in short, exercise is not just about duration, but consistency. Even 30 minutes a day of the right training adds up to big results. Question number 8. Can intermittent fasting really help with weight loss? The rise of intermittent fasting continues in 2025. Why people love it? It's simple: eat within a set time window, fast the rest. It lowers insulin, forcing the body to burn fat. Studies show it helps reduce belly fat without cutting calories drastically. Popular styles: 16 to 8 method, fast 16 hours, eat in 8. 5 to 2 method, eat normally 5 days, restrict calories for 2. Answer in short, yes, fasting can help, but only if combined with healthy food choices. Eating junk during your eating window cancels the benefits. Question number 7. What are the best foods for weight loss? This is a timeless Google search, and in 2025, people are asking more about superfoods and smart meals. Best foods include eggs, protein plus satiety, leafy greens, low-calorie, nutrient-dense salmon, and fish, protein plus omega-3 south, beans and lentils, fiber plus protein, nuts, healthy fats that curb cravings, Greek yogurt, probiotics plus protein. Answer in short, foods that are high in protein, fiber, and nutrients but low in added sugar and refined carbs are the best choices for weight loss. Question number 6. Do weight loss supplements really work? People are curious about pills, powders, and teas. The truth: some supplements help a little, but none replace diet and exercise. Green tea extract, caffeine, and fiber supplements may give a slight boost. Beware of miracle pills promoted on social media. They rarely work and may harm your health. Answer in short, supplements can be a small add-on, but real weight loss comes from lifestyle changes, not shortcuts. Question number 5. How fast can I lose weight safely? This is a huge search because people want quick results. Science says safe weight loss is 0.5 to 1 kilogram, 1 to 2 pounds per week. Crash diets can cause muscle loss and slow metabolism. Sustainable progress is better than rapid weight loss. Answer in short, losing weight too quickly backfires. A slow, steady pace is healthier and easier to maintain long term. Question number 4. Why is belly fat so hard to lose? Belly fat is one of the most frustrating problems. Why it's hard? Belly fat is linked to high cortisol stress hormone. It's influenced by insulin resistance and hormones. Poor sleep and high sugar diets make it worse. Answer in short, belly fat requires a combination of stress management, better sleep, strength training, and cutting sugar, not just cardio. Question number 3. Can I lose weight without exercise? Millions Google this every year. Truth, yes, you can lose weight by diet alone, since weight loss is mostly about calories. But exercise makes it faster, healthier, and easier to maintain. Exercise also prevents muscle loss and improves overall health. Answer in short, technically, yes, but if you want long-lasting results, diet plus exercise works best. Question number 2. What's the best way to stay motivated to lose weight? Motivation is one of the hardest parts. Tricks that work: set small, realistic goals. Track progress with apps or journals, join a community online or offline. Reward yourself with non-food rewards. Focus on health benefits, not just appearance. Answer in short, motivation comes from building habits. Discipline beats temporary excitement. Question number 1. Why can't I lose weight even when I am trying everything? This is the most Googled weight loss question in 2025. Possible reasons: eating more calories than you think, hidden sugars and processed foods, stress and poor sleep slowing metabolism, medical conditions like thyroid problems or insulin resistance, not being consistent long enough. Answer in short, if you're stuck, track your food carefully, fix your sleep, reduce stress, and consult a doctor to rule out health issues. So, those were the 10 most Googled weight loss questions in 2025, answered simply and clearly. Remember, weight loss is not about perfection, it's about consistency. Choose healthy foods, move daily, get enough sleep, and don't expect overnight miracles. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more health and wellness content every week, comment below. Which of these 10 questions do you Google the most? Share this with a friend who's on a weight loss journey. You could change their life. Because in 2025, smarter choices, not quick fixes, are the key to lasting weight loss.